Well, today we were trying to record a brake job on this thing, a 2001 Dodge Durango, and the brakes failed bad. But this company, Carlson Quality Brake Parts, came in handy. Carlson Quality Brake Parts right there. I purchased these probably about a year ago, I think. Never got a chance to use them, and then I got the chance to use them today. And I do. I mean, they come with all your upgraded parts, like all the springs, all the adjusters, the whole bit. We did the one side tonight. We're gonna finish it up tomorrow because it is late and I don't feel like being here any longer. Gotta shout out them because they came out handy. This guy busted his ass off trying to get it done. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, hold on. Let's get a better view. Look at that. Those is what came off of this left side, which sucked really bad. Now I got this is. I'm gonna tell you, it was a bitch. But I'm gonna tell you right now, who hooked us up. Actually, Dane's gonna tell you who hooked us up with some rear shoes, which they look dope as hell. I'll show some pictures of how they looked. They were awesome. The quality's freaking awesome.
Motor by motor, hook us up with some brake rotors, brake pads. They will hook you up with anything you could possibly ask for. The best sponsorship you could ever ask for.
Now, before I put the other side on, check the quality that Motor by Motor has for these brakes. That is some dope ass shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's chunky. That's some weight to that. Weight to that one.
Alright, y'all. Well, me and my dad, we're gonna call it quits. It's pretty late out. Probably gonna get started back on this tomorrow. Sitting next to the Buick, like always. But like always, like my dad always says, stay safe, stay grinding. Catch y'all later.